So this is the finished baked chicken. See what I mean? Look over there, where their juices are. If I have not lined it and rimmed it like that, it would have like flow all over the tray and it would be messy. Now it's so easy to wash and clean. Baked chicken.